So, Isla's writing a message.
To the future. I'm recording Olivia. It's nice and high up. We're going to put wallpaper on it, and when the other people come in, they will
move it.
see it.
Yeah.
And then they will know that somebody's been here and they've had a good time. Isla's heart writing hello.
We decided to do a little message for the future. It was only going to be a little message.
I need it. Hello to the future. Hope you have a good time here, just like we did. And if you're watching, you know that we've painted a message in here.
And what did Daddy write?
He wrote bonjour. It means hello.
Okay, and Mummy wrote the
2024. I wrote it a black. Well, I drew the flower and I'm going to paint in his heart.
nice to write the message.
And don't paint anything unless you've got protective stuff.
Oh yeah, we've protected
And
that.
adult position.
Yes. We put protective on the floor because we don't want the floor to get messy.
Yeah, we do.
Covered the radiator.
And we put some clothes on that we didn't mind getting paint.
Yes.
But I am the camera girl. Mummy's just handling it because I am help. Because I'm
busy doing. Yeah.
busy.
Okay.
And Daddy was here. He's doing stuff. He's making sure that my lights
It's quite similar.
We might do a house tour afterwards.
Ooh. What's the colour we've chosen, Isla?
Billions and billions.
Billions and billions, yeah.
I didn't know that. You can read it. And it matches the wallpaper and background.
Yes. So
And we have no idea if we want to have the wallpaper on now.
yeah, we might just leave the writing.
So if you see it there, probably stay in.